Welcome to the magical safari. As the sun goes down, the safari animals are getting ready for sleep. Would you like to join me in checking who's still awake? Hello, elephant. In the vast safari, the majestic elephant, a gentle giant, gracefully navigates the grasslands. By day, it bathes in sparkling water holes, a spectacle of splendor. As the night unfolds, beneath a canopy of stars, the elephant, guardian of the wild, embraces dreams filled with ancient tales and moonlit adventures. Can you help the elephant settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, elephant. How are you, rhinoceros? In the enchanting safari, the mighty rhinoceros roams the golden plains, a living fortress of strength. By day, it grazes on tender grasses, a symbol of resilience. As the sun sets, under the moon's glow, the rhino, guardian of nature, embarks on a nocturnal journey, painting dreams on the canvas of the savannah. Can you wave to the rhinoceros and say goodnight? Goodnight, rhinoceros. What's up, hyena? In the lively safari, the mischievous hyena dances across the sun-kissed grasslands, its laughter echoing through the day. As night falls, it becomes a shadowy trickster, weaving through moonlit landscapes. With a gleam in its eye, the hyena orchestrates nocturnal serenades, a whimsical symphony that captivates the heart of the wilderness. Can you say goodnight to the hyena and wish her sweet dreams? Goodnight, hyena. Look who we have here. Crocodile. In the heart of the safari, the stealthy crocodile basks under the scorching sun, its eyes fixed on the shimmering waters. As darkness cloaks the land, it becomes a silent sentinel, gliding through moonlit rivers. With a flick of its tail, it navigates the shadows, a guardian of the nocturnal waters. Can you blink slowly just like the crocodile and whisper goodnight? Goodnight, crocodile. How do you do, Kudu? Amidst the vibrant safari, the majestic kudu roams gracefully under the golden sun, its spiral horns catching the light. As dusk descends, it transforms into a ghostly silhouette, navigating moonlit savannas with elegance. With every stride, the kudu weaves tales of nature's beauty, a harmonious dance between day and night. Can you say goodnight to the kudu and wish her peaceful dreams? Goodnight, Kudu. Look who's here. It's our special friend, Snake. In the heart of the safari, the snake slithers through the sunlit savanna. With each graceful move, it weaves tales of the wild. As the moon ascends, the snake, adorned in the celestial glow, becomes the mystical guardian of the night, a silent dancer in the moonlit serenade of the safari. Can you kiss to the snake and say goodnight? Goodnight, Snake. Greetings, Impala. Bounding through the golden savanna, the impala is the sun's swift companion during the day. As dusk descends, it transforms into a shadowy dancer, gracefully leaping through moonlit grasslands. With each heartbeat, the impala narrates a tale of daytime vigor and nocturnal elegance, a symphony played for the African sky. Can you say goodnight to the impala and wish her a peaceful sleep? Goodnight, Impala. Look who came, Cheetah. In the vibrant African savanna, the cheetah reigns as the day's fleet-footed monarch. With the sun as its golden scepter, it paints the landscape with rapid strides. As night unfolds, the cheetah becomes a celestial sprinter, racing alongside stars, stitching constellations into the velvet tapestry of the moonlit safari sky. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the cheetah? Goodnight, Cheetah. Look who we have, Leopard. In the heart of the safari, the leopard prowls the daytime canvas, its rosettes merging with dappled sunlight. As night descends, it transforms into a moonlit phantom, navigating shadows with grace. Amongst the whispers of the savanna, the leopard weaves tales in the moon's soft glow, a nocturnal storyteller in the wilderness. Can you help the leopard settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, Leopard. Look what we have here, Zebra. Amidst the golden grasslands, zebras paint stripes across the day, a living canvas of nature's design. As twilight falls, their monochrome coats turn into a mesmerizing dance of shadows, harmonizing with the African night. In the symphony of the safari, zebras embody the enchanting rhythm of the wilderness, day and night. Can you cuddle the zebra and say goodnight? Goodnight, zebra. So, dear friend, the magical safari is alive with the charm of nighttime. As the night goes on, the safari animals keep enjoying the magic around them. All the safari animals have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the animals we met in the safari today. Good night, little one. Good night, safari.